Now you can use solid layer as an overlay effect. So for example, I'm going to select this solid, I'm going to click here and I'm going to select the red color. Now in blending option you can change this. You can use your arrow key to switch to different modes. So I'm going to change this to multiply. Now I'm going to press enter. I'm going to right click, duplicate this one, select this one, and I'm going to change its color to a different color. Let's change this to white. Now I'm going to change this to average. And now as you can see, now we can add more color to this. So now as you can see, we created this amazing pattern. So you can overlay the solid like this. Now guys, I'm going to also show you how you can create double exposure effects. So I'm going to drag this video in the timeline and I'm going to drag this video on top of this video. Now let's select this fit, so it will fit the entire video to the timeline, and I'm going to split this clip. Let's press backspace and let's increase the duration a little bit. Now I'm going to select this video and I'm going to scale it up. Using my scroll and using the control key, we can zoom out, and now I can press enter. Now in the blending option, now I'm going to change this to linear light, and now let's click here, zoom to fit. Now if I play this video, now you can see guys, we have a double exposure effect. So we can select this video, we can go to the motion effects, and we can add a fade out effect. And we can select this video and we can add a fade in effect from the starting point of this video. And now guys, have a look. So this way we can transition from one clip to another.